Let's talk about Pixar, the great animation studios. The way Pixar works is that they use a lot of prototypes. Their storyboards are their prototypes. That's how they quickly sketch out a part of a story and then try to see if that works in the big scheme of things. In 1998, when they were producing A Bug's Life, they had 27,000 storyboards. In 2003, when they were creating Finding Nemo, they used 43,000 storyboards. In 2007, for the making of Ratatouille, they used 69,000 storyboards. And in 2008, for the making of WALL-E, they used 98,000 storyboards. So what's the lesson here? The number of storyboards is constantly going up, as in the number of prototypes, the number of experiments they're running. Each storyboard is like an experiment. So number of experiments they're running has gone up tremendously with every movie and almost quadrupled between 1998 and 2008 between Bug's Life and WALL-E. And why are they doing that? You would assume that after all these years, they would have learned their lessons and they would have to conduct fewer and fewer experiments, but that's not the case. Pixar understands something very profound, that they know they will be wrong. There's no question about it. And what they're saying is, let's just fail as fast as possible. Let's fail quickly so that we can get to the answers quickly. Don't invest too many emotions in one failure or one success. The key is that we need to do in order to be able to think, rather than think in order to be able to do, because discovery doesn't really happen in vacuum. And that is why doing things, however imperfectly at first, opens up our creativity and opens up to greater and greater endeavors in life. So the key lesson is we have to fail quickly in order to learn fast. We have to prototype and we have to experiment really fast in order to move fast in our business.